What up, y'all? It is Friday the 8th and it is 1 o'clock. I've been getting ready while Leo's sleeping because we need to go get an oil change for our car. And yeah, I'm ready, but he's not awake, so we're just waiting for him to wake up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get my backpack ready. If you guys saw my video, I show what I usually carry, and this is the one. So but I used up all the diapers in here, so yeah. And I got this bag because I would always forget my wallet either in my diaper bag or in my school backpack. So I got this little bag that I carry with the diaper bag or backpack. Yeah, so I don't forget my wallet, because so many times I would forget it in either or, and I would be driving or I'll be trying to buy something. It was no fun. But yeah, gonna get those things ready while he wakes up, and we should be going soon because I want to get back here in time to make making spaghetti and meatballs. So here's my little minnow. He woke up and he's not too happy. He's really upset. I don't know why. But we're going soon, Papa. He's so cute when he lifts his legs up, look. Someone's happy now. I tried to fix his hair because I showered him before he went to sleep, but it's like all standing up now. But yeah, he's ready to go out. So he's eating while we wait. Look at how cute the fries are. They're his size. I got him chicken nuggets. We haven't ate McDonald's in like a month, so I thought we'd eat out for lunch today because I usually cook in at home. But I also got nuggets. But yeah, there's like a lot of cars here, so I don't know what time we're gonna leave. So I'm coming back from the oil change. They really liked it, and they were trying to get crazy with me, talking about we don't take walk-ins, but they have always taken walk-ins. So yeah, man, that guy back there took a left all crazy. But yeah, we should get home soon. It's 3:57, about to be 4, so I'm gonna get started on dinner as soon as I get there. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Your boy knocked out. Hey Bella, hey Sasha. Check these meatballs out though. Spaghetti's ready.